Welcome back to this video. In this video, I will show you how to see video in draft on your Facebook video reels. Let me show you how. Very first thing you want to do is open up your Facebook app. And the next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on your profile icon. Then go ahead and make sure you click on Reels. Then go ahead and click on Create Reel. Then go ahead and click on Draft right here. Then here you go. You have all your video draft in your Facebook Reels right here. You can go ahead and click on Edit Draft. Then you can go ahead and click on here to select. So you can either discard the draft as the case may be. It's that simple. For more useful tutorial, tips and tricks about Facebook Reels like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.